I will show you V-Guard air cooler along with remote. This is the pad. Because of this, cool air will come. Here it is the water inlet. 25-liter water you can pour it. This is the power option. You can see this is the power. This is humidity control. This is for cool air. This is the mode cool or swing you can use. Here it is low, high, medium and low. Here two water level indicator is there, low water level indicator is there. This is the timing, timer is there. This is the sleep mode. And it comes with the remote. You can operate it through remote also. For more information, please subscribe to my channel.